Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the update medium. Grab a FAT32 USB drive with at least 256 MB free and plug it into your PC. Next, download the official Xbox 360 system update package, then extract the files so they sit on the USB root, not inside any folder. Once done, safely eject the drive. This step ensures the console reads the update immediately. Make sure the files match the update naming so the Xbox can detect and apply them. You now install the update on the console. With the Xbox off, insert the prepared USB drive into a USB port. Power the console on. The dashboard will scan and detect the update on startup and prompt you to install it. Follow the on-screen prompts, accept the terms, and confirm installation. During the process, do not turn the console off or remove the USB. The system will restart several times. This is normal as it replaces system files and verifies integrity. You finish by removing the USB after the final restart, and then verify the console version in system settings to confirm success. If the update fails, reformat another USB as FAT32, re-download the official package, and try again. File corruption or faulty drives are common causes. If problems persist, clear the system cache from storage settings, then retry the update. If none of that works, contact support. But most issues resolve by using a known good FAT32 drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.